Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this under the radar airdrop. This could be very big. This is the Levana protocol, and this protocol runs on Injective, also in Osmosis, and we are 2 days apart from the airdrop, so you need to do this video today in order to be able to participate. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about Levana, and we are going to go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to participate on the airdrop today. And we are going to check everything because the introduction of the Levana airdrop is here public on a Twitter, and also there are documentation about it. So everything is transparent in terms of how you can get this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Levana is a fully collateralized perpetual swaps, and you can trade native tokens with 30x leverage and low fees. Levana is the only platform with zero insolvency risk, so your P&L is always safe. When you enter to the app, you are going to read LBN token, earn LBL tokens by trading and depositing liquidity in Levana. When the tokens launch, all of your previous activity will be rewarded. So we have a confirmation already when you go to the application itself. So the airdrop is 100% confirmed because we also have documentation. One important thing is that Levana is a multi-chain protocol. So in terms of Injective, for example, you can go to DeFi Llama, and Injective protocol you can see is at position 2. Levana Perps under the category of derivatives, and you can see 2.5 million TVL. So it's at position 2 here in Injective. If you didn't check my last video about the best airdrops of Injective, will include Helix, Black Panther, Tails, and all others. Please check the video that is appearing right now. It's a very important video for Injective airdrops that you need to apply very soon to be in the best position. So check that video. But Levana, like I say, is mainly on Osmosis, even if you can trade it in Injective. LBN tokens are minted in Osmosis, and the token goes live to the public on December 18, so it's going live today, and with the first airdrop phase starting around December 20. There's no information about a snapshot on this, so that is why I think we still are available to do this airdrop before the 20th of December, when the first airdrop phase is going to start. And you can see that the token is already here. Levana is in CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, so we are waiting this today, the launch of the token. So the first step on this airdrop, you need to follow them on the social media. Here you have the link tree, and from there you can go to many places. You can go to the Osmosis mainnet, the Perps trading, the Injective one, and I forgot to mention that they are live also in Say. So for this video I'm going to show you quickly on Injective as Osmosis, but you also can use Say if you want. And here you have Discord, Telegram, and Twitter and the website. So go always from the official link so you don't get into any scam. From the Twitter you can see the upcoming Levana airdrop. We are diving into the distribution of the new Levana token minted on Osmosis. And here you have the link to the blog. Important things about the token: 1 billion is the full supply, so 70 million is the initial liquidity, and it's going to be available on Osmosis DX. The token will offer 3 stages of airdrop, and all this is because they are transitioning to a DAO. The goals of the airdrop are divided in 3 phases. First, family, friends, and newcomers. The ones for family, big rewards is going to be for the Dragon Riders. This was a previous thing, so if you migrated the NFTs from Terra or Juno, you will receive the largest portion of this airdrop. Then we have family traders. These are traders on Levana, Osmosis, Injective, and Say. Will get the next larger airdrop from phase 1. And that is the one that we mainly are going to apply right now. So this is family traders. We are going to do that. XLPs and LPs liquidity providers will also get an airdrop for usage of Levana on mainnet. And we are going to do that. So this video is primarily for you to use the trader section and also to enter into the liquidity pools. Then we have the family Osmosis. 400k LBN tokens are going to be airdropped for Osmosis community members which interacted with Levana. So here you have a link to check if you are going to be part of that. It's a specific proposal, so probably we are not going to get on that now. And then we have Friends Airdrop, which is the second phase, and this is going to be on Q1. So of course the thing that we are going to do are for phase 1, so we want to do that in 2 days, but you are going to be able to participate on these two. So this second phase, like I say, Q1 2024, and we'll be focusing on airdropping to traders in the Cosmos ecosystem. So active traders on spot and leverage exchanges at Team Kushira, Osmosis Zone, Stargate Zone, DDX and others. So you can keep this on track in order to get more tokens in the future. Then you have the newcomers airdrop. This third phase is going to be in Q2 of 2024 and will focus on ABM layer 2 chain traders. So that is going to reward layer 2 ABM traders. So many of us are already participating on that. One important thing, you need to register for this airdrop. So I'm going to go to my step by step. Here, the first step we already mentioned, follow social media. The second step here is the airdrop is confirmed. So you can go to the blog, which has similar information of the tweet that we are checking. The third point here is the airdrop info. To understand it, this is the Twitter that I am reviewing right now live. And the point 4, guys, is fill this form. So you need to go and fill this form if you want to participate. It's not enough on going to trade and participate on the liquidity pools. So go to the link. The link is still active. So that is why I think the airdrop is still active. And here you can see which activities have you performed. The first one is for the NFTs that I mentioned before. You can put stuff on Ethereum, on Terra. We are going to put trade on Levana's Injective app, trade on Levana's Osmosis, or trade it on Levana SEI. If you did more than this, I would try to complete the form more than once because you need to put different wallets for this. So let's say that we put Injective here, then you can put optional your email, put here your wallet from Injective. Here you can put your Twitter and Discord. If you are only filling this one time, I would recommend you to fill everything. So you are going to be very transparent. And I don't know, but maybe that is a plus on our airdrops if you put all the information. Then you need to agree on that. So click yes. Agree on the terms on the service. You need to put yes here. I am not located in or a citizen of any not approved countries, and put any message if you want. Click ignore the robot and submit this. So doing this, you are going to be participating. But remember, this is mandatory. Don't go and trade and put the liquidity if you are not completing this. Now let's go to step 5, which is trade and enter into the liquidity. Here you go to trade Levana Finance. As soon as you started here, you can see that you need to choose where are going to be Injective, Osmosis or SEI. So I will go to Injective first. So this is going to redirect me. I will approve and connect with my Kepler. So you can see I have already connected my Injective wallet from my Kepler. So here I will put some collateral for Injective. Let's say one of my Injectives. I will do a 10 leverage trade here for perpetuals. I think this could be a base for a little of retracement. Of course, I'm not going to leave it open too much, but I will open this long. So click accept. Confirm and approve on your wallet, and we send the transaction. So you can see here is your PNL. This is your long position. So I will leave it a little bit and then I will close it. Here you have all the liquidity pools. You can deposit a little bit. So here is where you're going to receive LP or XLP tokens that generate yield, which come from the fees paid by traders. So here I will put also a little more than one Injective token. So I will click bridge and deposit here. If you need, you can bridge and swap, but here I will click on deposit, approve. We sent the transaction, and now you can see my pool here, 33 USD dollars. Of course, for this airdrop, because it's in 2 days, guys, I recommend you to put always more than $100 on the LP, and also try to trade volume. If you can get a couple of transactions to 1000 on volume or more, I think you will get more rewards, of course. So in these 2 days, if you really want to focus on Levana, the risk reward is really low because in 2 days we are going to start with this distribution of the airdrop apparently because the farm still is available. So I think there was not a snapshot, nothing like that is in the documentation. So I am still thinking that you have these 2 days in order to participate for the phase 1. Doing all the rest, you can do it for the next phases on Q1 and Q2. So remember to add more into your liquidity pools here if you are using Injective. So now we are going to go to Osmosis mainnet perps trading. So click that link. So now I am connected here with my Osmosis Nedd wallet and I am using Kepler again. And I will send some atom here. So I click here on bridge. I will click on Cosmos Hub here. I will connect my Kepler. Approve. Approve. And you can see here I will send some atom from my Cosmos wallet from the Cosmos Hub here to Osmosis. So let's say that I want to bridge. I will use a minimum here, but I recommend you to use more. So I will send 5 atom tokens. Now click submit. Remember that I have atom in my Cosmos Hub. I am sending now to Osmosis. So use the bridge here. And you can see it says complete now. So you can close this. And we have 5 atom in Osmosis. So after doing that, you can see that I have 5 atom here. So again, I will do a transaction. I think this is a good support, so I will do a long and I will do it with 10, 11 only, just to have something down there. And I will put 0.8 of an atom and I will open this long position. I will be closing it soon after this is confirmed. I need to pay gas fees with Osmo. So here you can see my long position is sent here. And after that, I go again to the earn section. And here you have many liquidity pools. And we are going to enter also here liquidity. In a case, I'm going to enter some Osmo. So try to put above $100 and we send the transaction. And you can use XLP. This has a 45-day unlock period. So for 45 days you cannot take it out, but you can see the APR is a little more. So I will put a little more just in case. So doing that, you already participate with Injective and with Osmosis. You did trades, you enter into liquidity pools. And if you want something more risky, you can go to step 6. Which is an Osmo LVM pair on Osmosis Hub. So you have the Twitter there from Rebel DeFi if you want to do that, which is a little more risky. So doing all this, we are preparing our possible airdrop for 2 days from now. If you are seeing this video after that, don't worry, you can do these steps also, and you are going to participate also on the next phases of the airdrops for Q1 and Q2. But don't forget to go and check the information on the step 2 and 3 so you understand everything here. If you have any doubt, remember that I have subscriptions to my private Discord. We are killing it there. Many new people has been entering on the last days. So we have new people dedicating some time to airdrops and learning how to maximize profits on airdrops. And if you want to do that, remember that I have an application. Here is a video on how my app works, but it's going to help you to organize and apply to airdrops easily. Not only my airdrops automatically, but custom airdrops from another sources. So my app and my Discord are really the best tool right now for airdrop hunters. Check it before you leave this video. That will be all, guys, for this amazing under the radar airdrop. This could be very big. Levana is a very big protocol with a lot of promises. So before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and put your comments below. What do you think about Levana? Have you applied already? We are going to see it in 2 days. That will be all, and see you in the next video. Bye.